Have you read the story Monkey Puzzle? It's about this cute little monkey who seems to have a problem. Let's go deep in the jungle to check upon her. Come, come, come.
I love my mom.
Hush, little monkey. Don't you cry. I'll help you find her. Let's have a think. How big is she?
She's big, bigger than me.
Bigger than you? Then I've seen your mom. Come, little monkey. Come, come, come.
No, that's an elephant. My mom isn't like this. She don't have a curly trunk and then she coils her tail around trees.
She coils her tail around trees. I know where she is. Look here.
No, that's a snake. My mom doesn't curl around and she has more legs.
She has more legs? Here she is.
No, that's a spider. She don't have that much legs. Mom would eat a fruit, then swallow a fly. She lives high up in the treetops.
She lives high up in the treetops? She's just over your head.
No, that's a parrot. My mom don't fly like a parrot. She does not have a beak and only feathers. She does not have feathers, she leaps.
She leaps? I think I know where she is. Look here.
No, that's a frog. They are very slimy. My mom doesn't crow. It's so slimy, I just don't want to touch it. She has fur and nice to cuddle.
Your mom has fur? I think I know where she is. Look here.
No, that's a bat. My mom doesn't sleep in the whole day long. And she's not so small.
She's not small? Then she's big. She's down by the river having a drink.
No, that's elephant again. Butterfly, can you see? None of these creatures look like me.
Oh, she looks like you. Well, why didn't you tell me?
Of course I didn't. I thought you knew.
Of course I didn't. I couldn't, you see. None of my babies looks like me. When she looks like you. If that's the case, we'll soon discover her hiding place.
Yeah. No, that's my dad.
Oh, my dear baby, come, let me take you to mom.